It is the night before I fly off to Taiwan. And in 24 hours, I will be at the airport getting ready to board my flight. I figured I'd take you along with all of the last minute things that I have to do before taking off tomorrow. First things first, I had a few things that I realized that I forgot to pack in my checked luggages, so I'm just going to pack that up right now. Dry shampoo, Cake's Body. I also ordered new packing cubes. They have like these flowers on it and they're cute, and this is a 6-pack and they're different from the ones I was using in this luggage already. Since I'm bringing a whole empty checked bag there, I'm not sure what I'm going to be buying and what it's going to be filled with, so I figured having some extra bags would probably be useful. And I also mentioned this in my packing vlog, but I didn't pack my socks yet because I was searching for socks that would make my samba shoes a little more comfortable. And I've also been breaking in my sambas every single day with like heat, bending it around, hoping that it would be broken in for the trip. So I'm hoping a combination of what I've been doing with my shoes and the socks will stop me from getting blisters. Yeah, I'm just gonna tuck in these few little things into my bags. I was just checking my packing list to see if there was anything else I was missing. I'm also trying to write down what I put in them because it helps me pack when I'm leaving to make sure that I grabbed everything. That was actually all that I had to do tonight. I didn't realize that I was really efficient over the weekend and actually packed everything. Tomorrow is the day. I am working tomorrow. During my hour-long lunch break, I think I'm planning on taking a shower just because I need a shower at some point before my 12-hour flight. Tomorrow, the only thing I have left to pack is chargers, my laptop, this camera equipment stuff, like things that I'm going to still be using tonight. I will see you tomorrow. The day is finally here and I'm flying to Taiwan today. My flight tonight is at 11:50 p.m. so almost midnight. Today I'm still working my remote job until 6 p.m. and then at 6 my family and I are leaving for the airport. I'm taking my lunch break from work right now, but it is around 5 o'clock. It's actually a lot later than I thought, but I just kind of wanted to get everything done and out of the way. So I'm going to hop into the shower so I can feel fresh and clean before being on a 12-hour flight. And then I'm going to wrap up some last minute packing. This is all the remaining stuff that I need to pack away. I was kind of just throwing it all on my desk so it was all in one place and easy for me to pack. So I just have to wrap up some of these things, throw them into some bags, and then I'll go into my backpack. I just finished all of the last minute packing that I have to do. The only thing I have left is this camera. And now I'm just gonna blow dry my hair so my hair doesn't dry really weird. I stole a round brush from my mom because mine is packed away and hopefully my hair ends up okay. Bangs are not cooperating with me. Bangs are relatively new for me and I still haven't mastered the ability to style them. It's also, this round brush is a bit thinner than the one that I usually use that I've been able to kind of figure out. And it's always this one that ends up okay, but then this one I can't seem to get right and I don't know what I'm doing differently. Hopefully this like falls or figures itself out while I'm sleeping on the plane. Good enough. I was holding off on doing this until I knew I was completely packed and ready, but I'm going to put my little carry-on luggage into this empty checked luggage, and then when I'm on my way back home from Taiwan, hopefully this bag will be filled with all of the goodies that I pick up from the trip. And now we are all set and we're gonna head to the airport. We just checked our bags! We're here at JFK. We're waiting for my dad to park, so he's gonna come and then he's gonna say goodbye to us before we head to our gate. mom and I stopped at one of the souvenir shops and picked up little gifts for my cousins and their little keychain New York themed bears. I got myself this taxi one. The rest of my cousins have all different colors and they'll choose. They have a light blue, an orange, a green, and a yellow. We thought they were cute. My plan for this flight is to eat the on-flight meal whenever it is. I'm going to do my press-on nails, all while like listening to some podcasts, maybe watching a movie, and then I am going to sleep and try to sleep through as much of the flight as I can. See you in 16 hours. Two people that were supposed to sit in this row with my mom and I aren't here, so we have this whole row to ourselves.
Passengers, welcome to Taiwan International Airport.
Actually here earlier than Ryan's flight. He was supposed to get here an hour before us, but our flight's early, and that's his gate. I'm finally like settled a bit and we're not moving around so much, so I got to take the camera back out. We just got our checked luggages back. We actually showed up an hour and a half earlier than expected, and we're meeting my boyfriend Ryan here, and he was supposed to show up an hour before us, but then his flight was late. He should have landed like a minute ago now, and now we're waiting near baggage claim for him. Just got our SIM cards and Ryan is with us now. He's getting some cash. Then we are going to ride the MRT and head to Taipei.